The last corner of the world introduction. The end of the world. Have you ever wondered where the last corner of the world is? That place where the earth seems to end, where human feet have rarely touched, where only silence, ice, and mystery reside? In today's video, we'll take you on a journey, not just across geographical boundaries, but through human thought, history, and the frontiers of the future. Ancient beliefs and myths throughout history, various civilizations have shared their own theories about the edge of the world. The ancient Greeks believed the earth was a flat disk that dropped off into the ocean. In Indian mythology, the universe was made of layered locusts, where each realm ended in darkness and silence. Norse legends spoke of Ragnarok, the eventual end of the world. Where does the map of the world end? Looking at a modern map, it's hard to say where the earth ends since it's a sphere with no real edge. But there are places so remote, so icy, or so uninhabited that they feel like the end of the world, such as the South Pole, the final frontier. Antarctica is often referred to as the last corner of the world. Its environment is harsh, freezing, and deadly. For most of the year, the sun doesn't rise. There is no permanent human habitation. Only scientists and researchers live here temporarily in research stations. One of the most notable stations is the Amundsen-Scott South Pole Station, located at the very heart of the South Pole. Amundsen-Scott Station, the last human outpost, operated by the United States. This station is one of the most challenging scientific installations on Earth. Temperatures drop to 80 degrees C. Scientists here endure months without sunlight. Fierce winds and snowstorms, cut off from the rest of the world. Inland stories where the land ends. Many islands around the world are called the ends of the earth. Examples include Tristan de Cunha, the most remote inhabited island in the South Atlantic Ocean. Easter Island, a lonely island in the Pacific Ocean, famous for its mysterious moai statues. Bouvet Island, a Norwegian territory in the South Atlantic, considered one of the most isolated and uninhabited places on Earth. Our cosmic perspective, end of Earth, or end of imagination. The idea of the last corner of the world is not just geographical, it's philosophical. When we say the last place on Earth, we're often referring to the limits of our reach, our courage, and our understanding. Science tells us the Earth is round, so there is no literal corner. But the human mind always seeks a beginning and an end. Modern concepts, virtual boundaries, and the digital world, even in today's digital realm, the idea of an end exists. There are data dead zones on the internet, unindexed, unexplored regions. The deep web and dark web have places where information seems to disappear. Could this be the digital world's last corner? Space science borders beyond Earth, looking beyond our planet. Space presents another perspective. NASA Voyager 1 traveled over 23 billion kilometers from Earth to capture the iconic pale blue dot photo. Compared to the vastness of the cosmos, Earth's final frontier seems insignificant. Could the true last corner be the limits of our cosmic awareness? The final human settlements living on the edge. There are towns and villages so remote that they are considered the last inhabited places on Earth. La Rinconada, Peru, the world's highest human settlement at 5,100 meters above sea level. Alert, Canada, the northernmost permanently inhabited place on Earth, home to military and research personnel. Villa Las Estrellas, Antarctica, a small Chilean colony in Antarctica. Conclusion, is there really a last corner? The last corner of the world is not just a geographical question, it's a journey of thought. Wherever we think the world ends, human curiosity begins. The place we call the last corner today may become tomorrow's research hub or settlement. So in truth, the last corner of the world is where our courage and curiosity stop. And as long as humans continue to ask questions and seek answers, no place will ever truly be the last. That's the message of today's video. If you enjoyed this topic, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and comment where you think the last corner of the world is.